Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to push code to GitHub. So if you have a code or any project that you want to push to GitHub, in this video, I'll show you how it can be done easily. First, you have to simply go to a browser and then you have to search for GitHub. As you search for the GitHub, then you will get the results. From there, you have to simply select the one that will take you to its website and simply log in with your account. After once you have done all that, then you have to make sure that you're logged in, and then you have to simply go to the repository where you have to push your code. Also, if you want to create the new repository, you can click onto it and it will be created. But before, you have to give it a title and any description of your choice if you want to. Otherwise, you can skip the description and make sure you have set its visibility and everything is done there. Make sure you have also added the readme option and just simply create it. Once you have created your repository, it's just gonna take a while in the processing. Once the processing gets done and the repository will be created. Now here you can see this option, add file. You have to click onto it and simply click onto this option to upload from your PC. Once you have selected the file, it's gonna take a while in the processing. Once it get done, if you want to commit any changes, do it. Otherwise, the new code will be pushed to GitHub. Then you can just wait for a while and go back to your repository where you have pushed the code, and there you will notice it will be there. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.